Here's some Zebinden Treaty trivia. Subscribe. Who represented Austria at the Congress of Vienna? Is it A. Otto von Bismarck, B. Maria Theresa, C. Clemens von Metternich, or D. Franz Joseph I? The correct answer is C. Clemens von Metternich. What did the Zebinden Treaty aim to restore in Europe? Is it A. military alliances, B. balance of power, C. territorial disputes, or D. economic growth? The correct answer is B. balance of power. What aspect of international relations did the treaty reinforce? Is it A. diplomatic ties, B. economic sanctions, C. territorial claims, or D. military alliances? The correct answer is A. diplomatic ties. What type of law was influenced by the Zebinden Treaty? Is it A. property law, B. criminal law, C. civil law, or D. international law? The correct answer is D. international law. How long did the effects of the Zebinden Treaty last? Is it A. decades, B. months, C. years, or D. weeks? The correct answer is A. decades. What did the treaty indirectly lead to in Europe? Is it A. revolutions, B. peace treaties, C. economic stability, or D. territorial expansion? The correct answer is A. revolutions. Which document concluded the Congress of Vienna? Is it A. Treaty of Brussels, B. Treaty of Paris, C. Berlin Conference, or D. Final Act? The correct answer is D. Final Act. Who was one of the prominent opponents of the treaty? Is it A. French peasants, royalist faction, C. Prussian leaders, or D. Napoleon's supporters? The correct answer is D. Napoleon's supporters. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.